Okay, I just wanted to run through answer key for this worksheet. In reality, we covered a lot of these in the video before, but as practice, we'll just kind of go through this. All right, so we'll even cover the first one here. So we're adding NO or N2. Okay, so we're adding on the reactant side. Okay, so we're going to shift away from the reactants or to the right. Okay, that's not where we're going. Anyway, N2 is what we changed, so that's why there's these dashes. Okay, we're going to ignore the thing that we have changed. Um, of course, H2 being on the left side of reactants, it's going to go down because we're going to react some of the excess N2 and some of the H2 and produce NH3, so that's going to increase. K, our equilibrium constant, is going to remain the same, right? Remember, the only time this changes, K, is if the temperature changes. So actually, we can answer that right now. Right? This is going to remain the same in all of these, except for number 7 and 8. Okay? So it's remain the same. Well, I guess we can't actually put those there. Same, same, same. Okay? So only when temperature changes, which we have in 7 and 8, will K ever change. Okay? So if we look at H2, okay, we see again reactant side, just like N2 is on the reactant side, so we're going to shift right. I'm going to use arrows. Um, even though it says words, you can abbreviate whatever. N2, again being reactant side, is going to go down. NH3 is going to go up. Okay. If we add NH3, now we're adding something on the product side, so we're going to shift away from that, or shift left. Now the reactants, both N2 and H2, are going to go up. Again, NH3 was what we changed, so we're not going to look at that. So we're removing N2. It is on the reactant side, so when we remove something, we're going to shift towards it. So we'll shift left, which means our H2 is going to increase, okay, and our NH3 will decrease. If we remove H2, once again, that will be shifting left, okay, which means our reactants are going to increase, our products are going to decrease. So that's the trend we want to see here. Okay? When we say the equilibrium shifts left or right, okay, this gives us all the information we need. Right? Anytime we shift right, products are going down. Reactants are going down. Product is increasing. Anytime we shift left, reactants are going up. Products are going down. So we're saying the same thing in two ways here. Our equilibrium shift, or we can talk about the individual species or things in the chemical reaction. So remove NH3. Again, if we remove something, we're going to shift towards that. Therefore, our N2 is going to go down, and our H2 is going to go down. All right. So increased temperature. So we see that this energy is on the right. Actually, your worksheet says heat, I believe. Okay. So when we increase temperature, we're increasing on the right-hand side of the product side. So we're going to shift away from that. Okay. Which means these go up. Again, shifting left means reactants increase, products decrease. And as we saw in the video before, if the forward reaction is exothermic, okay, and we increase temperature, we're going to decrease our K value. Decrease temperature, everything is just going to be the opposite. We shift right. These, of course, will go down. This will go up. That's what shifting right means. And then this would have to be the opposite, increase or up arrow. So pressure. When we get to pressure, an increase in pressure, remember we shift in the direction to reduce that pressure or make less moles of gas. On the left side we have 4 moles of gas. On the right we have 2. So an increase in pressure is going to shift right. Shifting right means these go down, this goes up. Again, just like in 8 we shifted right, we see the exact same thing. We shifted right, these go down. Decrease in pressure, we shift to the side with more moles of gas, which of course will just be the opposite. We shift left. Shift left means these go up, this goes down. Okay. And just to reiterate, this isn't 11, this is the same. Same K only changes when temperature changes. Okay. So that is all for that worksheet. There's going to be some more practice on the other worksheet later. So hopefully you understand that. If not, let me know and we can answer those questions.
Have you seen Junior's grades?